This series of this Nitro Stampede started when I took this sad, muddy, and rusted pile of parts, tore it down, and rebuilt it into this. So this is the final video that some people have been asking me for. Here it is. We are gonna get this Nitro Stampede to come back to life. So I thought I had an air leak in the fuel tank. Turns out I did not. I pressure tested it and I got it to start feeding fuel to the motor. So there's nothing wrong there. So we're just gonna have to play around with the high-speed needle, the low-speed needle, and right there the idle screw. So I put everything back to stock settings with the high-speed needle and also with the low-speed needle. And if you pop this air filter off, it's supposed to be a little gap inside there. I got it all primed up, and let's see if we could get this to fire up and stay running. I am using a socket with the one-way bearing, and I'm gonna drill start it. I do want to get the Tiger Drive system, so I think I'm gonna buy one, try it out, test it out, see how well it works with the Nitro Stampede. But here we go, let's try and get this thing running. So it runs, it stays running. Okay, so when I hit the brake, it does shut the motor off. I have to do a little bit of adjustments in there. So it's alive. It's finally alive after not running for over 9 years. I'm not sure exactly how long. It's 9 to 10 years. It's been a long time since this ran, and it's running really good. So I can't wait to take this out. I'm meeting with a friend of mine. He is bringing quite a few RCs. He has a Revo, a Jado 3.3, and a drag slash.
So the Nitro Stampede lives on, running for the first time in nearly 10 years. It's exciting to get this back. This will be the last video of the Revive series because we did revive it, but this will not be the last video you see the Nitro Stampede. I want to thank my buddy Chris for bringing a bunch of his RCs out. I did film just a few of them, but thanks for watching this Revive series on the Nitro Stampede.